As we all know, some of the best things in life only come a few times a year. Well, Moda releases are like that for us. It's like Christmas every time a new Moda release comes. And well, we went, as you can see, crazy, crazier than even last time, if you can believe that. We could not resist this amazing selection of fabrics, and I can't wait to tell you more about each of them. As we all know, Moda makes these pre-cuts just one time. That's why this makes this actually extra special. You have a chance, and I'll be showing you everything that's here, to head to the website to make a deposit toward the cost of your favorite pre-cut. Now you can rest easy, not having to babysit the website, right? One of those pre-cuts coming. Don't worry. Once you make the deposit, we've put your name on that pre-cut. And when we put in our order, that is going to be going in with that. We've set that aside for you. That way, when these come in 4, 5, 6 months, we'll bill you for the difference and head those your way. I know what that's like to have had my heart set on a pre-cut. I was waiting and I missed out. And once they're gone, they're gone. So without further delay, let me just show you what we selected. There's so much inspiration, truly something for everyone. Let's kick this off with French General, a perennial favorite of so many customers that love that classic European look. We have the traditional brick red, the dusty pink. I love those kind of warmer creams. They're accented with such a tasteful amount of vintage gold and just a beautiful finish with a light gray. With all the pre-cuts we could hope to see, we have layer cakes, jelly rolls, charm packs, and mini charms. So depending on your favorite pre-cut to sew with, this one truly offers everything. If you are just excited by color and you love batik, what an amazing combination of color and design the Sunburst Batiks are. Moda doesn't always have a batik collection going, so I love the timing of this. I love the range of color. We have absolutely spanned the rainbow and everything in between. Such an exciting group of batiks for quilts that just bring joy, especially to a sunroom or any room where you want to add a lot of vibrant color. Be sure to pick up Sunburst Batiks. If you love 30s, I think one of the things I love about Linzee McCray's 30s Playtime is just the range of color, and the design is very authentic. I often see some of the older 30s, the original 30s, and I feel like this did a great job of mimicking these most coveted 30s fabrics. So Linzee, great job on 30s Playtime. And if you love sewing Dresden blocks or any of the sunbonnet Sue, maybe this is the perfect collection to maybe go back and do one of those vintage-esque type quilts. If you love kind of those richer jewel tones and you love sewing with deeper florals with a lot of bursts of color, you're going to love Parlor by Crystal Manning. I just love the range of colors from these deep purples. She's got fuchsia. She's got these amazing kind of limey greens and creams and big florals. And I love how each section of the fabric is just a little bit different. So even with a scrappy quilt, you'd have a lot of dynamic elements in any project you might dream up. We all know we love Sherry and Chelsea mother and daughters collections because they're just happy. This is called Delightfully Yours, and in their true fashion, they span an amazing rainbow of colors, giving you all kinds of options from smaller prints to larger florals. I love the diagonal stripes and the little ditzy prints. They've got houndstooth, so many colors included in this. We also will have a kit available from Delightfully Yours, and of course, we will get busy here as well as a team to bring you some inspiring projects. The Three Sisters collections as of late have just been surprising me, and Ambiance continues that unexpected colorway. With our last release, Three Sisters was the top performing collection. There was actually two of them, greens and pinks, kind of almost plums. And people love that. I love that this again is a colorway that I've not seen from them. With the dark navies, this Wedgwood green, we have this dark red, we have this light gray, but we also have a nice bandwidth of creams, which of course we all love our creams. Such a unique offering from Three Sisters called Ambiance. If you love florals and sophisticated colors in timeless design, Ambiance may be your collection. of choice for this release. Kansas Troubles has a classic coloring that I can usually spot from across the room. This is why when we were shown their newest collection, I was actually surprised and did not recognize this as Kansas Troubles. And I love this collection. It's called Bluebird's Nest by Kansas Troubles. Not a colorway I have ever seen come from Kansas Troubles. So if you love sewing with her amazing fabrics, be sure to pick up Bluebird's Nest by Kansas Troubles. Who knows when we'll see this colorway ever again. Little ones. We all love sewing for little ones. We probably all know many ladies that are pregnant. It's just something sweet about sewing with baby fabric. To the Moon and Back by Paper and Cloth is really so endearing. It's not that kind of over-the-top cutesy, but it's more of almost an elegant cute that is so sweet. It works for a baby boy, works for a baby girl, cute little elephants with mama and baby, some geometric prints, very unique. I've not seen a collection like this from Moda, maybe ever. So if you've got little ones to sew for, To the Moon and Back might be the perfect collection for this season. Sweetwater makes some of the, well, sweetest fabrics. I think their name is perfect because Jackie is the force behind Sweetwater and Lucky is absolutely adorable. And this more pastel coloring, there's a puppies on here, all kinds of cute prints from little X's and textures and ginghams and all kinds of things. You don't have to use the puppy print. Maybe you've just got something in mind for spring or summer. Add the puppies or maybe leave them off. It's a beautiful range of fabric, the full selection of pre-cuts you would expect. We all love Jackie's prints, so be sure to pick up Lucky by Sweetwater. And our final collection is called Sunbonnet by My So Quilty Life. Heather Briggs is the driving force behind the amazing design company called My So Quilty Life. Heather is an incredible fabric and pattern designer, and definitely people love her collections. This is called Sunbonnet, and yes, it is a takeoff of Sunbonnet Sue. In the Fat Quarter bundle, you will see this darling panel of Sunbonnet Sues. Of course, all the other amazing pinks and creams and greens and that very soft kind of tealish blue that so many people love. I am very inspired by her collection, and of course, she'll be having plenty of her own patterns as well. So as you can see, we could not resist. I cannot wait to get busy, and I imagine you too already are starting to dream up some ideas. Sometimes a new pattern just gets me going in a direction. And I like using pre-cut friendly patterns with a pre-cut. Why? It's written with that pre-cut in mind. The instructions are geared toward that specific pre-cut. The easiest way to shop our pre-cut friendly patterns is this. Go to the website, you'll click on patterns, by type, and you'll want to go to pre-cut friendly. There you will see nearly 700 different patterns. Some of those are maybe fat quarter, jelly roll, layer cake, charms, or maybe even honey buns. The whole point is these are specifically written for pre-cuts like this. So whether you already have a stash at home of patterns or maybe you're looking for something new, that is a great way to kind of get going. But the most important thing today are these pre-cuts. So whatever that is that inspires you, whatever that is that when I said that or showed that, you knew that had to be yours, head to the website right now. Make that small deposit and know when the time comes, we'll bill you for the difference and head that your way. Thank you for giving me a few minutes of your day to show you this amazing new offering from Moda Fabrics.